Power from tiny atoms. The invention of nuclear power. A long time ago, people needed more energy to power their homes and cities. They wanted something new and powerful. Scientists discovered tiny things called atoms. They found out that atoms have a lot of energy hidden inside them. In the 20th, they invented nuclear power plants. These special plants use the energy from atoms to make electricity. Nuclear power works by splitting atoms in a reactor. This releases a lot of energy that we use to make electricity. Today, we have nuclear power plants all over the world. They help us light up our homes and keep our gadgets running. Follow Edurills to know more about these amazing inventions.